Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to install the Java JDK on Windows 11. First, let's prepare for the installation by downloading the JDK from the official Oracle website. Open your web browser and go to the Oracle website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a Download Java button. Just click on it. On the download page, scroll down until you see the list of available JDK downloads. You'll see different versions for various operating systems. Since we're installing on Windows, click the link for Windows x64 installer. The download will start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and find the JDK installer file. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. The Java SE Development Kit installation wizard will open. Click Next to start the installation. You'll see a screen asking you to select the installation directory. The default location is usually fine, so go ahead and click Next. The installer will start copying files to your computer. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message saying Java SE Development Kit successfully installed. Click Close to exit the installer. Now, let's verify that the Java JDK has been installed correctly. Open the Start menu and type CMD to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type Java version and press Enter. If everything was installed correctly, you should see a message displaying the version of Java that you installed. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.